In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you want to get ChatGPT right on your iPhone, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, go and tap open your Safari web browser. Into the search box, type in ChatGPT and search. Click on this first link that you see that says Introducing ChatGPT. You'll end up in this official OpenAI page. Right from your iPhone, at the bottom menu, tap the share button. Now, from the menu, tap on Add to Home Screen. In the text box, enter ChatGPT or anything else you'd like to use. Once you are done, tap Done and you'll be able to download ChatGPT on your iPhone. Until now, that is the only way you'll be able to get ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now you can open up the app and tap on Try ChatGPT button and create a new OpenAI account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.